Hello everyone, I am James and today let's try to solve the problem of this not charging problem of this Samsung A54 smartphone. Let me connect to the charger and check it. No response, but when I connect the other phone with the same charger, it shows charging. But this phone, there's no response. So let's check it. For that, first we need to disassemble. I already checked this part here, there is no dust. The charging pin is fixing properly. So for that, now what I'll do is just I'll apply some isopropylene alcohol. But remember one thing, once it is disassembled and repaired, it will lose its water resistant property. Actually this smartphone, it's still under warranty, but the customer has purchased it abroad, so he brought it to me. It appears it is it is made of glass, so I should be very careful. See, the back cover is made of glass, so we need to be very careful. Okay, this is made of glass, so be careful. So I will remove this adhesive tape. I will fix it using glue because I do not have a waterproof adhesive tape. So now first we'll check this part, that is the charging socket. There is no auto damage or any such thing, corrosion, nothing on the subboard. So let me disassemble the main board bracket and check it. Connect the charging cable and check the charger. So it does show charging. but as customers has complained for intermittent, so let's see. It does not charge. So let me shake this connector. If I place it here, so let me remove the subboard first completely and check. Maybe there is some dry joint at the socket here. Let's check that one. Be careful while removing these RF cables. See that it will not damage the socket. Okay. You need to be very careful because there are very small components that may get damaged. So to avoid that damage, you need to be very careful. Below also there will be some components. So we need to remove it from here, and there is a screw, as you can see here. Just remove the screw. Okay. Now we need to remove this flex from its place. It's a display. It's connected to the display. Be careful, be gentle, no hurry. Okay, this is the socket. The socket. I have a test point here. Let me check for the voltage. There is voltage here. This one is good. Even if I shake the cable, it's good. Okay, that means the charging socket is good. So let's clean it. Okay, now it's good. It appears to be good. Let's wait for it to charge for a few percentage and then disconnect and check it again. So let's check it. As you can see, now it's showing 12 percentage. So let me fix the brackets and check. If it does not work after fixing the brackets, if there is some again intermittent problem with the charging section, intermittent not charging problem after fixing the bracket, then we need to change the main flex, or we need to solder the connectors, this one and this one, both the connectors we need to solder and check if the problem is not solved. And soldering this is not a big problem, but we can solder it. Only thing is we need to be very careful because the connecting pins are too close to each other. There are chances that the legs may get short circuited and it may cause some other problem in the first smartphone. So to avoid that, better try to buy the flex online or in the local market or at the authorized service center and fix it. So let me fix this. Before fixing this, I wish to give a packing, small packing here. Try to give a packing of plastic, not any cardboard or paper. So this plastic here, so place it on this here in this way, cut it. Even it's a 0.5 mm thickness, also no problem, you can use it. So I'll apply a bit of adhesive glue on this. In your case, there is no need to check the voltage etc. You can directly clean the connectors, as the cleaning connector and fixing it back has solved the cleaning the connector has solved the problem. So you can adopt it directly. So fix it. See that it is not too thick. If it is too thick, then there are chances that it will damage the glass back cover. Just remember to check if all the screws are same size. If the screws are not same size, then there are chances that the screws will pass through this bracket and damage the screen. So if it is not show charging, then this is probably the main board connector. I will switch to charging. So let's pack it. Same thing to be done here. A small .5 mm thickness support. Do not apply too much of glue. It may flow to the PCB and damage it. So now all the screws are fixed. Let's check charges. Okay, it's showing charging. It's good, it's charging. Let's wait for the percentage to increase. If by cleaning also the problem doesn't solve, better you take it to a authorized service center nearby and they will replace this main flex. If you get the main flex online, the original, the genuine one, then you can use that one, order it and you can replace it by yourself, or better to go to the authorized service center. So as you can see, the percentage is increasing. So as you can see, the percentage is increasing. It was 12 before, now it is 13. So let's switch it on and check. We'll check if after switching on also it will charge. It is taking charge and even fast charge is also working. Okay, so let's wait. So now we can see it is 17%. So that means it's charging well. So let's check. So we can see backward. Let me do backward. I just like this. Let's do. Not by 288. So you just lost anything out. And I will do it. Removing. After disassembling the phone and doing the repair work by yourself and fixing the glass, the warranty will be void and the water resistance property of the phone will be lost. So it is better you try to give it at a, if the warranty is still there, better you give it at authorized service center so that they'll fix the proper water resistant adhesive and fix the back cover. So keep it in this way for half an hour to 1 hour. So it is charging. Okay. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you in solving the not charging problem of your Samsung Galaxy A54 smartphone. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.